Hi my lovely viewers, this is Alawati for learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you marking Firefox data collection and use, install and run studies data in Mozilla Firefox. So for this case we will go to the Mozilla Firefox that I have been pinned here. Click go to the three bar icon and enter the settings option. See, we can get it, and also we press the privacy and security that we can work this thing. So scrolling in below side, then we get our requirements thing. So what that have the Firefox data and collection this thing. So see, this thing has been shadow. So for this case, see, we want to do this, the allow Firefox to install and run studies. So click here. See, in this way we can do this thing. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.